welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm actually going to try TikTok trends food recipes and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'm actually gonna try 4 different recipes, find out and during the video to see what they are and if they're worth it or not. So let's go to the grocery store. So we got our list, added some more stuff to try and then George, it's recording! Okay, so the first thing we're gonna try is the buffalo chicken mac and cheese. That's what it looks like. So, we're gonna need like one of these pans. And then cheese. Yeah, chicken wing, buffalo wings, or whatever. This is.
And the hot sauce.
Mac and cheese. We're just gonna cook the mac and cheese like regular. We're boiling the mac and cheese.
Ew. Nasty. I'll just put it all in there.
Yeah. A 1/4 cup of the sauce. And then we pour the mac and cheese into this thing.
You know what it is? Huh?
No.
It's my sweat.
We added more of this sauce just in case.
This is day 1. I'm the special guest if you guys can see.
No.
This is the last time you're gonna see me on the food video right now. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm the star of the video.
I thought I was, I'm the guest.
Okay. First cheesy. 1, 2, 3.
We're not trying what you do.
I really like 7.
Why?
Because I don't like mac and cheese that much. But these are good together. I
What
like
about
it.
you?
I give it a 10.
I agree with them.
It's the next day and I'm actually going to cook a breakfast recipe. The ingredients that are included is sourdough bread, cherry tomatoes, pesto sauce, eggs, and an avocado. You're going to get one of these pans because you're going to cook the eggs first. I'm going to put butter in here. I'm just gonna put butter on here. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know how to cook, so bear with me. Okay, so you're gonna get to like 2 spoonfuls of the pesto sauce. And I'm just... So you're gonna put 2 eggs. Okay, so this does not look like this. So this is what she looks like. I don't know what to say about her. Yeah, so we're just gonna continue. We're gonna put salt. We're gonna add Parmesan cheese. This is the finished product. I still don't know how I feel about it. I think I will rate this as I'll give it like a 7. For the last recipe, we're gonna make pasta chips. So you're going to need any sort of pasta, whatever you like. So this is what I have left. Olive oil, Parmesan cheese, salt, and garlic powder. The thing you're going to do is cook the pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna add the olive oil. Now we're gonna add the garlic powder. So you're gonna preheat the air fryer, put it to 400 for 11 minutes. So you put it in a bowl. Oh yeah, I forgot to add Parmesan cheese, so make sure you guys add that and try it. It's kind of crunchy, but it's kind of soft. I'll give it like, this one I'll give it like a 9 out of 10.